In this video, I'm going to show how to share a PowerPoint presentation or email in mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to open your PowerPoint, and I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using Android, but it's the same process if you are using iPhone. Then, after opening your PowerPoint project, you need to click right here on these three dots, click to save. And here on the last option, export this file to OZP. Okay, click on this option and save on your phone. So after doing that, you come on your email and send an email. So come on your email, click right here on these three lines at the top left corner, set, click to compose, and you will come to this page right here. Okay, then you need to type the email that you want to send. The subject, so for example PowerPoint, and click on the first option, attach file. Then here you need to find where you put your PowerPoint presentation. So just select your PowerPoint presentation, type anything right here, and send to the PowerPoint presentation to the email that you typed here. I hope I helped you how to share a PowerPoint presentation email in mobile. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.